Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the scent and warmer of the month for April. I am very excited. I have opened it and smelled it and looked at it, and it is beautiful, and I am so excited. So, for those of you who are new here, the scent of the month kit unboxing is something that you can only get if you are a Scentsy consultant. So if you're interested, let me know in the comments down below or check out my website. The join link is down there. Yes, so what it does is it gets you exclusive access to the scent of the month about 2 weeks prior to the actual launch. So this is the April scent and warmer of the month, and I am so excited. So we're just gonna jump into it. First things first, they give you 72 scented stickers in the scent of the month. This is the sugared strawberry, and it is amazing. And then they give you, I don't even know how many there are in here. I'm gonna open it up real quick. A big old pack of brochures so that you can share them. And that's what it looks like. Dun, da, da, da. Boom. Is that not the cutest warmer ever? I'm so excited. And then this is the sugared strawberry. It is described as fusing homegrown goodness with pick and eat fun. Sugared strawberry blends fresh, luscious strawberries, juicy currants, and California sun-kissed lemons. So yes, the strawberry basket warmer and the sugared strawberry scent. So that includes the warmer, or not the warmer, the circle, the bar, and the room spray are all 10% off during the month of April. So it breaks the pricing down on the back for you. I forgot to mention that in my last video, but by the time I noticed, it was too late. I wasn't gonna edit something in there all crazy. But anyway, yeah, so super excited about that. You also get a room spray in the scent of the month. And where did he go? He's so tiny. There he is, he's hiding. A little tester in the scent of the month. Okay, and then you also get 9 bars. 9. And y'all, I might keep all 9 for myself this month. I mean, it is so good. It just smells like super fresh, juicy strawberries, and I am here for it. You get a little hint of the currant, or currant, or however you say it, but it's mostly strawberry with just a little bit of a deeper, richer note, and I am here for it. And then the warmer, y'all wanna see it in person? Bum ba da ba. So it is an element warmer, and it's just a basket of strawberries. It's 2 pieces. So an element warmer means it doesn't light up, so you can, you know, sleep with it on, whatever. And then it has holes in the lids for the scent to escape. But if that does not scream spring/summer, I don't know what does. Like, it is so flippin' cute. So yes, that is it. I am going to go get dressed because I've got to go to work. Yeah, but anyway. It's a little change of scenery. I've got my pile of shenanigans over here. Feeling super social again. I've been spending a lot less time interacting with people lately, so these videos are a lot more chit-chatty than they used to be. That's okay. Anyway, I'm gonna go, but I hope you guys have a great day, night, whenever you're watching this, and until next time, stay batty.